Leaves are very important for trees. They provide food for the whole tree or plant. How do they do it? Leaves use a very special process called photosynthesis. How do you say it? Photosynthesis. To convert energy from sunlight into sugars and starch that a tree uses as food. Leaves have an important chemical inside of them called chlorophyll. How do you say it? Chlorophyll, which is what makes them green and is also what allows them to conduct photosynthesis. Leaves also help keep you cool on hot days by making shade. The leaves fill in the space between the branch to make a canopy, sort of like an umbrella over the tree. Leaves also help make tree good home for animals like birds, squirrels, and bugs by providing them a place to hide and even food. Okay, let's go next. Why do leaves change colors? Different chemicals found in leaves are what cause them to change color in the fall. As we already learned, chlorophyll is the chemical that gives leaves their green color, while they make food through photosynthesis during the spring and summer months. When it starts to get cooler outside and the sun does not shine for as long each day, trees know it is time to start storing up food for winter. To do that, the chlorophyll in the leaves starts to break down, and the food that the leaves have been making is stored inside the tree instead of in the leaves. Now that the chlorophyll is gone, instead of being green, the leaves become all the colors of fall like orange, yellow, red, or even purple. These colors have actually been in the leaves all summer long. We just couldn't see them because the green from the chlorophyll was blocking them. Chlorophyll and the other chemicals that cause the colors in leaves are called pigments. Pigments are also used to dye thread and fiber that clothes are made out of. The other leaf pigments besides green come from chemicals called carotenoids. How do you say it? Carotenoids. And anthocyanins. How do you say it? Anthocyanins. Carotenoids make leaves yellow, orange, and brown, and are always in leaves, just like chlorophyll. Not all leaves have anthocyanins, which cause colors like red and purple to appear. Anthocyanin is formed when sugar gets trapped in a leaf after the chlorophyll is gone. Then, when the leaf is exposed to sunlight, the anthocyanin turns leaf red and purple. The leaves in the picture have a little of each of the pigments in them. So let's next to the topic. Why do leaves fall off trees? As the weather gets cooler and the days get shorter in the fall, trees start to prepare for winter. Trees use sunlight to make a special layer or seal between each leaf and the branch is connected to. Then the leaves fall easily to the ground, leaving the branch of the tree protected from the cold that will come in the winter and also helping the tree store up food. Since leaves have water inside their cells, they can't survive freezing temperatures because the water would freeze and the leaves would die. When leaves fall to the ground, they eventually break down and provide material for the soil, helping prepare for more plants to grow in the spring and also create a layer that helps the ground absorb water. Another reason that trees lose their leaves is because many of them get torn or damaged during the spring and summer by weather, such as hailstones, insects that eat leaves, or diseases that trees can get. Since they lose their leaves in the fall, they will be able to grow brand new ones in the spring. We will explore more deciduous trees versus evergreen trees. You may have noticed that some trees don't lose their leaves in the fall, at all, and that their leaves look rather odd compared to the leaves you see on most trees. Trees that lose their leaves in the fall or winter are called deciduous. Deciduous. How do you say it? Deciduous. Trees that do not leave their leaves are called evergreen, and their leaves are usually called needles. Just like their name says, they stay green all year long because their needles can survive freezing cold temperatures and do not fall off in the fall. The cell inside the needles are different than the cell inside leaves from deciduous trees. They do not have water inside them that will freeze, and they also have a smooth, waxy coating on the outside that helps them to stay warm during the winter. Okay, that's all I want to share in this video. I hope you liked it, and thank you for listening to me, and we can take care of our